Thinking about becoming a real estate agent in California? With Kaplan Real Estate Education, you don't have to do it alone. Let's break down exactly how to get licensed. Step 1. Make sure you're eligible. You must be at least 18 years old, legally able to work in the U.S., and prepared to complete a background check and fingerprinting. Step 2. Complete 135 hours of pre-licensing education that includes 3 courses: Real Estate Principles, Real Estate Practice, and 1 elective. Step 3. Apply for and pass the California Real Estate Exam. The exam covers national real estate concepts and California-specific laws, and you'll need a passing score to move forward. Step 4. Submit your license application. You'll submit your license application to the DRE, along with fingerprinting, fees, and any remaining documentation. Once approved, your license is issued, but it won't be active just yet. Step 5. Find a sponsoring broker and activate your license. In California, salespersons must work under a broker to activate their license. Ready to get started? Explore Kaplan's California Real Estate Licensing courses and take your first step today.